Tic-tac?
Why did you take our child?
Hey! Just hold on there, buddy. My son did not take your kid. You were the one that left him behind. That's bad parenting. And I should know.
Silence! Release the child.
Okay.
Sweetheart! Oh, Kirby, I'm so happy to see you, my darling.
We really want to play numbers, ahoy!
They got the kid.
You have violated Intergalactic Law 90210, a charge punishable by immediate particle disintegration!
Oh, snap.
What's that? I don't quite...
Melvin, honey, he's saying they're telling the truth. It was just a misunderstanding.
Well, then, this is awkward,
Yes, it is.
I suppose I should...
Put the big guns away.
Yes.
Now put them down
Oh, of course.
and turn off your big voice.
But I don't...
Turn it off. Melvin.
But I don't get to use the big voice very often.
Melvin.
Yes, dear.
Hi. Anyone want to try the big voice?